ever heard of anybody, any family, friends, coworkers talk about how chiropractic helps with stomach issues or ear infections or immune function, or wondered like, how do they help with more than just back and neck pain? The reason that we can help with so many different ailments is that we really help to improve the function of the nervous system. So we adjust the vertebrae, the bones of the spine, to relieve pressure on that nervous system, and that nervous system goes to every single cell, tissue, muscle, and organ in the body. So by aligning the spine, taking pressure off of those nerves, we can help with lots of different things and help the body to heal essentially from head to toe.